Each other, one another. How many times have you wrote each other as one word? Raise your hand. I have to. Guess what? Each other is two words. One another is two words. You knew that because you never wrote one another together, right? No. So if you didn't write one another together, why did you write each other together? I don't know, because I've done it too until I found out differently. Each other is two words. One another is two words. But how do you use each of them? Here's how. When you are talking about only two people, you say each other. When you are talking about over two people, you say one another. Each other is for two. One another is for more than two. Okay. Except, we know it's always exceptions to the rule. Here's exceptions to the rule. You don't want to say they married each other or they met each other. You just say they married because it's only two people can get married. Well, you know, anything can happen in the scientific world, and actually anything can happen in 2020. But you just really marry each other, so you don't have to say that. You just say they married, not each other. Or you don't say they met each other. They what?
They meet.
They just met. Okay?
Oh.
Yeah. Speaking of that, meet and met, what is this word?
Met.
And what is this word? Meet. I think that should be our next lesson, huh? The difference between meet and met?
Or no, what
Have you
about
seen
that?
that grocery list, like
What
where
about-
people they spell meat like that?
Uh-huh.
It's talking about like the actual food meat.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
and
what I was trying to say.
they do that one too?
Yeah.
I think that's our next grammar lesson, don't you? Meet, met, meet. Okay. So let's do some examples or see if we can figure out which one do we say each other or one another. First one. Dinah and John gave each other or one another diamond rings on their wedding day.
Each other.
Each other. Oh, what happened after? They kissed each other or one another?
One another.
Oh,
Each other.
It was three people kissing?
Good.
They just kissed each other, okay? It was only two in there. Number 3, Tim and Jake were talking to each other or one another.
Each other.
Each other, 'cause it's two.
Okay. The winners congratulated one another or each other after the track meet.
One another.
The playground was full of children spending the afternoon playing with.
Each other.
They were
One another. One another.
Why?
It's more children.
Okay. My parents consult each other one another when they're making decisions about my punishment.
Each other.
Okay. The students checked their answers with.
One another.
Adam and Sam were told to help out
Each other.
each other. Learn something new today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.